Hello, this is Nancy Yang from Shenzhen Selection Hardware Group, and this time I want to introduce one of our samples for you. You can see this is a CNC machining parts, and it is produced by the CNC turning machine. It has been anodized, and this color is gold, and apart from this color, we also can anodize some other kind of colors. And this is a heat sink for the LED light. If you also have some CNC machining parts want to be customized or produced, welcome to consult. Our factory will provide you with one-stop service and will begin to produce for you at a very reasonable price.